Hello, it's Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. And today I just wanted to do the 2020 challenge, and that is where you take some of your yarn and you start December the 20th, and then January the 20th you will post a video. And then what the video is, what you've got to do for the 2020 challenge is take some of your yarn that you have and make a scarf. Now, I've watched some videos where some people said that they were going to do like maybe shawls and a few other things and some hats and mittens and stuff like that. But I'm going to do the scarf is my intentions. And I was going to show you the colors that I was planning on putting in my scarf. These right here, these colors. I can get them all in. So that's going to be my scarf color for the 2020 challenge. And this is Line Brand. I already have it. There it is right there. Touch of Alpaca, Line Brand. So I'm pretty excited about this challenge. I first heard this from let's see, Creative Grandma Glenda, and then I also, after that, then I saw Christy's, I think that's her name, from Secret Yarnery. Krista, that's it, from Secret Yarnery. And originally it was to use your ice yarn. And so I'm really glad that they changed the challenge to where you can use whatever you have in your stash, because then I could get involved in it. Now, I've also heard where some people said that they were going to create more. They were going to do quite a bit of scarves so that they can donate them to their local shelters and different places like that. And that's a really good idea. So I don't know if I can do something like that. That does take a lot of work, a lot of time. But as of today, making this video, I am just going to say that I'm going to do the 2020 challenge, and I'm looking forward to it, and I'm going to make one scarf. So I don't know how things may turn out from now till January the 20th. So, but yeah, this is the Line Brand Touch of Alpaca is what I plan on using, and this color is olive. And then my other color I plan using is crimson. It's the same thing. And I want to throw this color in, Purple Aster. Here we go. I had bought these on Line Brands where they had the 5 for $10. And then this one right here, so same thing as the others, it's just a smaller, but it's called Goldenrod. It just doesn't quite have as much, but it's the same yarn, same Touch of Alpaca and all that. So I challenge you out there, if you're watching this video and you have not heard of the 2020 challenge, I challenge you to go ahead and do that. I think that it's a lot of fun, and I look forward to seeing all of the videos that everyone's going to post on January 20th, all the different scarves. And yeah, by next year, next Christmas, with all these videos coming out, I think there's going to be a lot of scarf giving for Christmas. So just want to say thank you. And thank you to my subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all the comments and the encouragement that you give me. And so that's it. Oh, please like and subscribe and tap the bell so you'll always be notified of my videos. And if you need to contact me, it's in the description box in the bottom. Thank you.